$51 per hour. That's what the average Python developer in the US earns. Do you want to increase your earning potential, boost your Python skill level and have fun in the process? Then check out my free Python email course, where I will send you these 5 cheat sheets I will present in this video and a daily Python puzzle to increase your skill level on autopilot. Okay, the first cheat sheet is about keywords. These are reserved words by the Python programming language. Examples are false, true, and, or, not, break, continue, and so on. I will introduce all these keywords with description and the code examples. You can print out this cheat sheet and pin it to your toilet walls so that you can remember each and every keyword. The second cheat sheet is about basic data types. Examples are Boolean, integer float values, and the string operator. And as before, I have a description for each data type and some real-world examples. The third cheat sheet is about complex data types. So the second one was about simple data types. This one is about complex data types. Examples are list and list operations, stacks in Python, sets, and dictionaries. And then the various operations that can be performed on top of dictionaries, such as looping through dictionaries, reading and writing elements from the dictionary, or checking whether a certain element is in the dictionary. Okay. The fourth cheat sheet is about classes. Object orientation is a very important concept in Python, but many people actually struggle. Because many people start with Python as a first programming language, so they don't have the background of object-oriented programming languages like Java, and they really struggle to understand the concept of object orientation in Python. And this fourth cheat sheet addresses this topic. So I introduce classes, give a small example of a class, show what are instances, what is the keyword self, what does it mean, because you might have seen in classes that the keyword self has a very highlighted position in classes, so it's very important how to create classes, and I give a lot of practical examples. Okay, and the final cheat sheet is also my most liked cheat sheet. It's about functions and tricks. So for example, I introduce all these little things that make your life easier in Python, like for example the map function, how exactly is it used, how to join values in a list to get a new string, for example, how to filter stuff, strip the string from white spaces, the zip function, and also unzipping. You might have seen this zip operator in combination with the asterisk operator here. In most cases, this means that you are just perform unzipping. Then I show you some tricks, like how to start a Python server, how to read the comic within your Python console, the Zen of Python. So this is a very interesting cheat sheet. It's a lot of fun. Okay, if you like this cheat sheet, please comment below the video and like this post, and check out my free Python cheat sheet course.